Ladies and gentlemen, today is the day to make a change. Today is the day you step up and decide to take control of your life. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today, because the truth is life doesn't wait for you to get ready. Life moves forward whether you're prepared or not. And if you want to be a part of that movement, if you want to be a part of that progress, you have to make the decision to take control of the one thing you truly have authority over, yourself. Now, I know this isn't always easy. We live in a world that constantly pulls us in every direction. Distractions are everywhere. Expectations are everywhere. And oh, the opinions, those are endless. Everyone has something to say about how you should live, how you should act, and how you should feel. But here's the thing, if you let the world dictate your feelings, you'll be a puppet on a string. Every little tug will send you swinging. Feelings are powerful. They're a part of who we are. They color our lives, but they're not meant to control us. Feelings are like the wind. They can push us forward or they can blow us off course. But the secret, the great secret to life, is that you are the captain of your ship. The wind doesn't steer the ship, the captain does. And your mind, your discipline, your choices, those are the rudders of your life. You see, it's easy to let your feelings dictate your actions. It's easy to let anger drive your decisions, to let sadness hold you back, to let fear paralyze you. But easy is not the goal. Growth is the goal. Excellence is the goal. Becoming the best version of yourself is the goal. And that means learning to control your feelings instead of letting them control you. Let me tell you something, there's nothing wrong with having feelings. They're natural. They're human. But when you let your feelings take the wheel, you're no longer in charge of your life. You're no longer making decisions based on what's right, what's best, or what's necessary. You're making decisions based on temporary emotions. And temporary emotions often lead to permanent consequences. Think about it. How many times have you said or done something in a moment of anger that you later regretted? How many times have you let fear stop you from taking a step forward, only to look back and wonder what might have been? How many times have you let jealousy, insecurity, or impatience cloud your judgment? The truth is, feelings are fleeting, but the impact of your choices is lasting. So, what's the answer? The answer is discipline. The answer is self-control. The answer is deciding that you will not be a slave to your emotions, but a master of them. This doesn't mean suppressing your feelings or pretending they don't exist. No, it means acknowledging them, understanding them, and then deciding how to respond to them. Discipline is the bridge between thought and action. It's the gap between what you feel and what you do. And it's in that gap that greatness is built. It's in that gap that you decide who you're going to be. Let's talk about attention. Everybody wants it, but not everybody earns it. And here's the truth. The people who chase attention rarely find fulfillment. Attention is fleeting. It's temporary. It's a surface level reward. But respect, admiration, and influence, those are lasting. Those are the things that come from character, not from begging for the spotlight. If you want to be noticed, don't shout louder, work harder. If you want to be valued, don't demand it. Earn it. If you want people to respect you, don't chase their approval. Be someone worth respecting. You don't need to beg for attention. You don't need to fight for a spotlight. Just focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and the right people will notice. Here's a lesson that's worth remembering. You don't get in life what you want. You get in life what you are. And who you are is determined by your habits, your actions, and your choices. Who you are is determined by how well you control your feelings, how disciplined you are, and how committed you are to becoming better every single day. Life is not a game of chance. It's a game of choice. And every choice you make shapes the person you're becoming. So make the choice to be disciplined. Make the choice to take responsibility for your feelings. Make the choice to focus on your growth, your character, and your potential. And let me tell you something else. This isn't a one-time decision. This is a daily commitment. Every day you'll face situations that challenge you. Every day you'll encounter feelings that threaten to take control. But every day is also an opportunity to practice discipline, an opportunity to strengthen your character, An opportunity to prove to yourself that you're in control of your life. So what's the takeaway? The takeaway is simple. Don't let feelings dictate your life. Don't let temporary emotions drive your decisions. Don't beg for attention. Don't waste your energy chasing the approval of others. Instead, focus on what matters. Focus on becoming someone you're proud of. Focus on building a life that reflects your values, your principles, and your potential. And remember this, the greatest victories are not the ones you win on the outside. They're the ones you win on the inside. The battle for self-control, for discipline, for character, that's the battle that matters most. And when you win that battle, everything else falls into place. So take a deep breath, make the decision. Take control of your feelings. Take control of your actions. Take control of your life. Because you have what it takes to be great. You have what it takes to succeed. And you have what it takes to become everything you're meant to be. Now go out there and make it happen.